Hi, I'm Zach Johnson, the Director and Master Builder at ZJ Building. In today's economic climate, planning a home renovation can feel like trying to hit a moving target. With fluctuating costs and lingering uncertainties, it is crucial to understand how inflation impacts your renovation budget. Rising prices might feel like a deterrent, but with the right approach, you can transform this challenge into an opportunity. How can you ensure your renovation remains on track despite rising costs? Is there a way to not only protect your investment, but also increase your home's long-term value? Let's break it down step by step, looking at both the challenges and potential advantages inflation brings to your renovation project. Understanding the challenge. Inflation isn't just something you hear about on the news. It's a real factor that affects everything, from daily expenses to major investments like home renovations. For homeowners looking to update or expand their living spaces, inflation means increased costs for materials, labor, and services. The prices of essential building materials such as timber, steel, concrete, and even fixtures have been steadily rising due to global supply chain disruptions and increasing demand. Labor costs are also affected. As the cost of living rises, contractors and tradespeople often need to increase their rates just to keep up. This can make budgeting for your project more complex, leading some homeowners to feel unsure about the best time to commit. Beyond the obvious price increases, inflation introduces an element of unpredictability. With prices potentially changing from month to month, locking in a fixed budget can seem difficult. It complicates budgeting and can raise doubts about whether now is the right time to move forward with your project. But here's the key takeaway. While it's tempting to wait for prices to stabilize or even drop, the reality is the construction costs rarely fall significantly. Delaying your renovation could mean even higher costs in the future, making now a more strategic time to invest. Historically, inflation tends to raise the cost of materials and services permanently, meaning today's high prices may look like a bargain compared to future costs. The opportunity hidden within, but here's the good news. While inflation pushes costs up, it also increases the value of your home over time. When you view a renovation as more than just an expense, but a strategic investment, you unlock a new perspective. Every dollar you spend now not only improves your living space, but also boosts your property's long-term value. For example, energy-efficient upgrades that reduce utility bills or high-quality materials that require less future maintenance offer dual benefits, enhancing your current lifestyle while contributing to increased home value. If you decide to sell in the future, buyers will see the upgrades as attractive features, often paying a premium for homes with modern, well-executed renovations. Furthermore, with property values rising steadily in many parts of Australia, your renovation could significantly enhance your home's overall market value, providing you with a buffer against inflation. By embracing this mindset, homeowners can feel confident that their renovation is an investment in both present comfort and future financial growth. Strategies to maintain inflation's impact. So how do you make inflation work for you instead of against you? It all starts with careful planning and strategic decision making. Tip 1. Define your priorities clearly. Start by clarifying your renovation priorities. Break your project down into essential must-haves and desirable nice-to-haves. This will help you focus your budget on the most critical aspects of your renovation, such as structural updates or energy-efficient improvements, ensuring that inflation doesn't force you to cut corners where it matters most. By honing in on the key elements of your renovation, you'll also have the flexibility to adapt your plans if prices for certain materials or services spike. For example, If the cost of high-end fixtures suddenly rises, you might opt for more cost-effective alternatives without compromising the overall quality of your renovation. Tip 2. Embrace the concept of value appreciation. While it's true that inflation raises initial costs, it also boosts your home's resale value over time. Every dollar you invest in your renovation isn't just spent, it's contributing to the future appreciation of your property. In fact, certain upgrades like modern kitchens, open plan living spaces, or eco-friendly features can significantly enhance the appeal and value of your home in a competitive market. By aligning your renovation with the current market trends, you can ensure your home stands out and increases in value, making it a worthwhile investment for years to come. Even in a fluctuating economy, a well-renovated home holds its value and offers a strong return on investment, making it a sound financial decision. Tip 3. Consult with a real estate expert. Inflation and market conditions can be tricky to navigate. That's why consulting with real estate professionals can be invaluable. They can offer insight into local market trends, helping you avoid overcapitalization where a renovation cost exceeds your home's market value. For instance, a real estate expert might advise focusing on renovations that appeal to buyers in your area, whether it's adding an extra bedroom, improving outdoor spaces, or incorporating energy-efficient solutions. They can also provide perspective on the best areas of your home to invest in. You don't want to over-improve in a way that outpaces the value of similar homes in your neighborhood. So having an expert's insight can help you strike the right balance between spending and value creation. By tapping into expert advice, you can make a well-informed decision that balances today's expenses with tomorrow's potential returns. Seize the opportunity. Yes, inflation presents challenges, but with a clear plan, you can turn these into opportunities. By setting your priorities, understanding how inflation boosts long-term value, and seeking expert guidance, you can transform your renovation into a strategic investment. Remember, a home renovation isn't just an expense, it's a way to improve your lifestyle now and secure your financial future. Are you ready to tackle your renovation despite inflation? Download our free guide, The 6 Essential Things You Must Do for a Successful Home Renovation, for tips and insights tailored to Adelaide homeowners. Discover how to manage rising costs and move forward with your project confidently.